Crypto space is very troubled right now. A lot of blood running on the streets. I'm here to answer some questions that you have, especially regarding WINkLink. Is it over for crypto? Is it over for Win? Stick around, cause we're gonna do technical analysis. I'm gonna make you a new price prediction. I'm gonna show you the present and the future. And just ask you one question. Are you winning, son? So you say you are losing right now. No worries, all will be good. Let's start right off the bat. WINkLink versus dollar 3-day chart. Every candle is representing 3 days. What you're seeing here structurally is not looking so bad because we have a low, higher low, and a new higher low. Although this move isn't finished, I suspect that we will close above this low, technically making a higher low. From the upper side we have this high, but a lower high. This to me is not indicating that much bearishness, but something else. Let's just call it squeeze. What do I mean by that? Something like this. A price movement from the beginning of the year in a symmetrical triangle. A huge move to the upside, downside, upside, downside, squeezing until this pinpoint that will come in about 1 month. So in 1 month you will be sure to know where is WINkLink going in the long term. Symmetrical triangles could break to the upside or to the downside. Neutral pattern. My assumption is upside, but still it's only an assumption because of a past price action. We were moving to the upside. I expect that we're gonna move upside one more time until we reach that pinpoint, the peak of the bull market, which I don't believe that is in Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the altcoins, WINkLink. I think we have one more big move, big up leg to the upside. Now at the moment we are not touching that lower band of the symmetrical triangle, like here or here. That could indicating more downside. But as I said, in the next month you will know for sure what is happening with WINkLink. What you should be keeping a close eye on is this trend line that started here and was resisted a few days ago. When you see a breakout above this trend line, we are starting a new bull phase. Now at this moment, this is not so smart for me to make a WINkLink video at this moment because look at the volume. Not nobody, you are watching this video so you are caring, but very few people are caring about WINkLink right now. It's just the hype has died out. Look at that volume. Easy peasy, nothingness. Well, in here, oh yeah, you were ecstatic about WINkLink. It's the revolution that will change things. And since we're talking about this, let me just remind you that this is not our first video about WINkLink. We already did a price prediction on this coin, when I believe somewhere in that region at the end of the March. Now in that price prediction I gave you the level of 0.17 cents. So not even 1 cent. I hate those little numbers. But here I said we are traveling to 0.17 cents. And what do you know? We hit our target. We overperformed as expected. And from that point entered this huge pullback. And by huge, I mean a whooping 91%. That's what I call a pullback. A mini bear market inside of a bull market. So there you have it. If you haven't absolutely sure to check it out, try to follow my train of thoughts to see how I came up with 0.70 cents. The same method we will apply today for the future prices that I will give you. Now before I do give you those levels, let me just show you one more thing, and that thing are moving averages. At this moment I'm showing you 144 exponential moving average. The reason why I am showing you this is because we are dancing with this big boy right now at this moment. it would be super great and dandy, and I'm really expecting Wink to hold this line of support. So let's not break this 0042 cents. Is that even a number? Is that even a valuation? 00 something cents? I don't know. I'm making things up. And disclaimer, a word of warning. Although we are making price prediction, and although I am saying that WINkLink will go higher than we are today, much higher, keep in mind one thing. With this move in the last few days, we broke many supports that were significant. 89 exponential moving average. We broke it after that move to the upside. We are right now breaking it with this candle. And this is some kind of a mini danger. In the grand picture, we are not turning bearish, but still, right now, as I told you that WINkLink regarding the volume is not having a lot of buyers. We are not super bullish on this coin, as we were at the end of March when I gave you those numbers. And that's why this price prediction will be super interesting, because there is a high probability that you will find it, not right now, when no one is interested in this coin, but in the next few months, when the FOMO kicks in. So regarding that, right now, you, the viewer who is paying attention, 144 is a support, but as I said, 89 is a resistance, 55 also resistance, 34, 21, and I think that is really enough. WINkLink at this moment is having some troubles, and we could go lower. Let's hope that this level of 144, the exponential moving average, holds. If not, go back to that symmetrical triangle that we mentioned at the beginning. Regarding the price patterns, that is the most important one. And now, a price prediction. Are you ready? Get excited, because you will get to know the level of WINkLink that you never heard of. I will connect this high of 0.29, this low of, my god, 0.026 cents. I'm lost in a translation of these valuations. But nonetheless, let's make it till the end. And voila! Everything is still on the screen. Everything but the extensions that you came here for. For the extensions, we will move this chart like this, and right now you're getting everything you need. So, in the next few weeks, probably even months, I told you, we need to show some strength and crush those resistances that are ahead of us. After we break this all-time high, WIN will travel to 0.46 cents. The next extension, 261.8, is positioned at 0.73 cents. 361.8% extension is giving us the magical number, 1 cent. And if you are not already excited that I'm telling you that we're gonna break 1 cent in the future of WINkLink, I'm presenting you the level of 1 cent and some more. Do I know how to pronounce this number? No. So let's leave it like this. I think if you go past this troubled times that we are having right now, you will be handsomely rewarded as you were rewarded in the past, right? And one more time I'm stating, I remember what was happening a few months ago to the Wink holders. You were going bonkers about WINkLink and the gains that you made. It will happen again. Markets live in cycles. Right now we are in some red area. The green, oh the greenish, will come one more time. Do you agree with me? Oh, I knew you would. That's why I hope that you will put those thumbs up. That's why I hope that you will subscribe to our channel, only if you want to know what's next in our schedule. If you know someone that is invested in WINkLink, share it with them. And why not watching this video? I heard it was interesting to the viewers, and I heard there is some valuable information in there. Check it out. Until the next time, let me ask you one more time. Are you winning, son?